Hey guys, your Trusty Toy Channel here. Today's video, we're going to be checking out a full box of the awesome Target exclusive Avengers Infinity War mystery minis Funko bobbleheads. Wow, that is a mouthful. But this, it's not only at Target, but it will have Target exclusives in this set. And these are all bobbleheads, so really awesome. Can't wait to see. Kind of getting a good look at the box, and on the back here we got all of them we can get and the rarities as well. Awesome. We got like Iron Man, Thor, Iron Spider, we got Thanos. Oh nice. Black Panther. Black Panther's 126. And these three here are the exclusives. We got Black Widow, Groot, and Vision. Wow, those are rare. And let's see what we get first up. Okay, so as always, got the little bag here. Oh, and by the way, we there was like shrink wrap around it, but we went ahead and took that off to help speed this video up. Alright, so let's see who we get. Oh, I actually don't know this guy's name. Kinda got his head on backwards too. Whoops. Turned his head too much. Alright, so here we go. Let's try and get it straight. Maybe this time? Good enough. I actually don't know his name. Kind of reminds me of a Blue Mr. Burns, so I'm just gonna call him Blue Mr. Burns from now on. Alright, so let's set Blue Mr. Burns over there, and let's get this one open, see who we get. Okay. There we go, got the bag here, and we're just gonna cut it open. Gotta get it straight. Okay. And got it. Alright, oh, nice. Guardians of the Galaxy, what is her name? Gamora? Something like that. But that's so cool. Head's not super bobbly. Got all that hair and stuff. I love that pose. That's so cool. Got those two little knives. Or swords. This is so cool. Oh. Alright, next up. Oh, and by the way, she was a 1 in 12 chance. And let's see who's in this bag. Kind of looks like that got a little messed up when they were making it. Anyway, that's not important. Let's cut this bag open and see who we get. Oh, nice. We got Iron Man, and his head's on backwards. Oh, perfect. Having a little trouble seeing out of the Iron Man helmet. That head on backwards. That is a sweet looking pose. Looks like he is ready for battle. Actually, they all do, besides Mr. Burns. Alright. Nice. So, Iron Man is a 1 in 6 chance, so he is pretty common. So I kind of have the feeling we might see more of him. I don't know. Anyway, that's just a feeling. I could be completely wrong. But let's see who we get. Oh, we got another of the Gamora, pretty sure. Alright, so 1 in 12 chance. Not too bad. And let's get this. Kind of see what's inside. Oh, and by the way, guys, do you have a favorite Avenger or favorite superhero? If you do, leave a comment down below, and I can't wait to see. Oh, no way. We got one of the exclusives. This is the rarest one we've gotten yet. This is a 1 in 36 chance, too. So you have to get the Target exclusive Avengers mystery minis. And then you have a 1 in 36 chance. So 1 out of every 3 boxes of these has Black Widow in it. That is insane. That is so cool. Oh man, I can't believe it. Alright, so that one's my favorite so far, because it is definitely the rarest. Alright, so let's get a look at this guy. And who do we get? Oh, sweet, we got a new one. We got Thor. Really cool. And his head's pretty bobbly. Some of them barely moved with their little bobblehead. Nice. Alright, so, and by the way, I just gotta point out how cool this like night sky design is, or the space design on the box is. Very blue, and I love blue, so let's do that. Alright, so get this one. Okay. Alright, just get it straight and then cut it straight across. As always. Alright, let's see. Oh, we got twins. We got an Iron Man twin. And the head was on backwards, just like the other Iron Man. And we got a lot of backwards heads on these guys. Okay, let's check out this one. Let's see who we get. Okay. Just cut this open. Really hoping for Groot. I don't know, but I'm sure that's why he's 172 chance. Oh, we got triplets. we got like a whole fleet of Iron Men. That is awesome. And they're all ready for battle too. And that Iron Man's head his head wasn't on backwards. Surprised. Oh, we got another Mr. Burns, and his head's on backwards. And okay, let's set him like that. Let's leave his head backwards. Oh man, we're getting a pretty decent amount of duplicates, but we also got the rare Black Widow, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. Man, this bag has a lot of air in it. Okay, and oh, we got Thor. We got a twin. All right, next up, Vision would be pretty cool to get too. I don't know, but I guess that's maybe because he's a Target exclusive. Oh wow, this one's got a pile of air in it too in the bag. So let's get this guy out of the bag. Oh, we got a new one. We got Thanos. His head is super bobbly. Oh, bobble, bobble, bobble. Awesome. And he's got his Infinity Gauntlet on. Really cool, really cool. Kind of reminds me of the guy from Pawn Stars. That's just me, I guess. Anyway, let's see. Let's check out this last one. And hope I might get a new one. I don't know. Who do you think we'll get? I think we'll get a new one. And nice. We got a new one. We got Hulk. And this guy's a 1 in 12 chance of getting, so not too bad. Not too bad. And his head was on straight too. That was pretty cool. That's rare. So that is awesome. And we'll do a little tad bit of rearranging. And guys, leave your favorite one that we opened today down below in the comments. I don't know, we got a pretty decent variety. Like we got Mr. Burns here, and we got the Iron Man. And oh guys, by the way, if you know this guy's name, leave a comment down below, because I am not sure. And I have to go with Black Widow as my favorite, because this is a 1 in 36 chance and an exclusive. Crazy cool. Oh man. Oops, sorry. Doesn't want to stand. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for a new video every day and to become part of the Trusty Toy team. Also, don't forget to watch our last video that we made yesterday. And we can't wait to see you guys soon.